Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear visioners. It's me Miss Afifa and I welcome you all with this new video. Hopefully you all are safe and sound at your home. As you know that our topic parts of a computer is going on and we have learned about CPU and monitor. So today we are going to learn about more two parts. Firstly, tell me which picture is this? Oh, it's a mouse. I once saw a mouse in my house. But is this mouse a part of a computer? No, this mouse is different. So which mouse is the part of a computer? Yes, this mouse is the part of a computer. But this mouse cannot run and eat. But like that mouse, this mouse also has a long tail. Have you seen the long tail of this mouse? Let me show you. So here is the tail of this mouse, means the mouse of a computer. That calls cable connects to USB port on a computer and it has two buttons, right button and left button, and there is a scroll wheel which we use to up or down the page or menu. And we can also draw pictures and point the things on a monitor with the help of a mouse. As you can see that the picture of a penguin is drawn here. The next part is keyboard. A keyboard has many keys on it. These keys are used for writing on the computer. This is known as typing. As we type our message also, to type any letter or number, press the keys. For example, if I have to write my name, so I will press the letter A. Yes, I will press the letter A. Then F. After that I. Then I will press again F. Then again I will press I. It's my name, Afifa. So with the help of the letters of keyboard, I have typed my name. Now it's time of your home task. First home task is do activity of book page number 10. Task 2 is do activity of book page number 11. And task 3 is do the question answer in your copy. Take care. Allah Hafiz.